Hey everyone, welcome back to the Food Locker. Today we are making a delicious breakfast. It is a satisfying and energy-packed breakfast to fill your day. I will show you how to make this tasty breakfast at home in a simple way. Let's get started. We will start by cooking eggs. Prepare water and add around a quarter teaspoon of vinegar. It will help the eggs hold together. Give it a gentle stir. Heat the water to around 70 degrees Celsius. You will see small bubbles starting to rise and a bit of steam coming off the surface. Gently dip the egg into the water and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Turn the heat to low. Just keep the temperature around 70 degrees because we don't want the movement of boiling water to rip the egg apart. And there you have it, a beautifully poached egg. Place it on a paper towel to remove excess moisture. We don't want it making the muffin soggy. Let's start cooking the muffins. Preheat the pan on minimum heat and add butter. Spread the butter around, and once it melts, place the muffins into the pan. Put the cut size of the muffins face down, and all the butter flavors will cook into the muffins. Keep an eye on them to make sure they don't burn. After a few minutes, you will get a perfectly toasted golden brown surface. At this point, I like to add a slice of cheese and let it melt slowly on the muffin. Then set them aside and we will move on to the bacon. No extra oil needed for bacon. Just heat the pan on low and cook it for about 2 minutes per side. You can also use Canadian bacon. Flip it over the cook both sides. Be careful not to burn it. After you see nice, crispy, juicy bacon, put it aside and let's get ready for the Hollandaise sauce. Prepare 200 grams of melted butter for the Hollandaise sauce later. Now I'm going to separate 4 eggs. We will only use the yolks for this rich Hollandaise sauce. Use the shells to pass the yolk back and forth until the white fall away. Then you will get a beautiful egg yolk. We will use a double boiler. Fill a pot with water and place a bowl on top. No heat is enough. We will use the steam to heat the sauce while we whisk the egg yolks. Add around 50 grams of white vinegar and start whisking. You can leave the bowl while whisking. We don't want to overheat the eggs, otherwise it will turn into scrambled eggs. Then we can add some salt and lemon juice. It makes the taste more fresh. Keep whisking until the volume doubles and becomes thick. While continuing to whisk, slowly pour the melted butter into it. We want it to look like melted ice cream with a thick texture. Now the Hollandaise sauce is silky and fluffy. Now take a slice of bacon and place it on the chassis muffin. Add 1 poached egg on top. Then spoon on the rich Hollandaise sauce. Look at that! The bacon is juicy. The egg looks great. All covered with crazy yummy Hollandaise sauce. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Alright, time for my breakfast talk later. See you next time. Bye.